Alright gang, today we are going to install the door latch. This is a problem we've been having. The window will go up and down on its own. Let's see if it does it. It's not doing it. Well, today we're only going to need two simple tools: Phillips head screwdriver and a little prier to pry it open. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plastic pins that we need to remove, which is simple. Right here, the center, just press it in, not all the way in, but just enough, just where till it clicks, and take it out, and that's about it. And then these Phillips screw heads, there's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. Will be simple enough. It's 1, it's 2, 3, and then just push these pins in. About it. These don't have it. I don't know. I guess he switched them out. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 3. Simple as that. And 2 more hidden gems here. We got this one right here, the screw Phillips set there, and one right there. All the screws are literally the same, so there's actually 5 Phillips head screws exactly the same, and 7 of those push pins, and that is about it. Now all we gotta do, lock the door and start prying it. There we go. And then we got some, I guess, connections to detach, as you guys can see there. Doing my best. This type of connections. Alright. There we go. On. Oh, this one's on the other side. 2. And then the door hinge, as you guys can see. Just get that yellow part out. It's just like this. There we go. Unhook it. And voila. And this bad boy, click it in. There we go. And ta-da. Alright. As you can see, it's kind of facing the opposite. So here, you press this down and yank it out. And this one's on the other side. Same thing, press it down, yank it out. The same thing with this one, press it down, yank it out. And then that little, this one right here, it's like a little door. Pry it open, and bam. All right. Door out. This thing's glued. This thing's glued into all this, so you guys can see it's all glued. And these little green things is what was holding the door, besides the pins and the screws. So here's the first screw where the door handle is, and then to open the door handle, I guess. So both door handles, this is to open the door, and this is just, I guess, to close it, so you can see where it's at. And here's to open the door, pretty much. All right, and the thing that we need to get to, let's get this out real quick. All right, there you go. All right, this thing goes up like so. See if you guys can see that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the outside door handle, and this is the one that we need to get to. Look at that, it looks rusted. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, removing these, was it like a T30 something, whatever, hex screws. Yeah, I got it. Look at that. Alright, remove that. There you go, press that in. Go. There's that one. Sorry for the camera, guys, it's on my mouth. Alright, just need this sucker. You can lift that. There you go. And bad part, huh? Yeah. Let's get this suckers in. Alright. Here you go. Alright, this is the most difficult one. You gotta put this one in the hole in there, kind of just like slide it in like this, but it's up there. All right, finally put it. Yep. Whew. All right, there we go. Door handle in, connection in, and hopefully you guys can see. Alright, that orange part right there lit it up. That's the door handle up. No, actually not. That is that right there, my friends. Right here, this orange thing right there is what controls the window going up and down. So that smart sensor that we've been talking about. So that orange part right there controls that window, the smart window, going up and down when you open the door. And this latch right here, or this little cable right here, pretty much opens the door from the outside. As you can see, I'm gonna be right here picking this up, and you can see the green part right there moving. and when you close the door, that window part. All right, now that we got all that put together, let's put this back. All right, there we go. Before we forget, let's connect the bottom right there. So this part right here, connected on the bottom, it's gonna be facing this way, right on that plastic. And there's the clip. Now that we're missing this bad boy right here, click it in. There we go. Then close the door, just like so. And there it is. That's what controls the locking mechanism. Put this back, just like so. So what are we missing? Okay, this is the old one, guys. We connected, this is the lock button, this is the door hinge, this is the smart window, and we connected this piece. Did we connect this piece? Let's find out. Now I'm like curious. Yes, we did. That was that big old piece there that we connected. Now we connected the bottom one. Perfect. Everything's perfect. We connected the door latch and the door handle from the outside. And we are done. That's it. We're done. Just like that. Now we just need to connect this bad boy this bad boy back in, and all within less than an hour, I hope, or 2 hours. So hopefully we won't have that that smart window problem anymore. So now we just need to connect it back. First, I'm gonna go wash my hands because they are dirty and I don't want to touch my door panel. Alright. Same thing here. Get the door latch. Oh, you guys can see. There it is. Close the door. There we go. Perfect. Sorry for the light, guys. Got one in. Got the other one in. And one more. Got the other one in. And that's gold. Now get the, there you go. There you go. Press it again. Alright. Now the easy part comes next. Whew, just screwing. Just screwing everything back in. If you can find the damn screwdriver again. You don't realize how important these little screws are once you realize where the whole pressure points of the car is, like in the hole. These push pins, actually get these out. Alright, get these push pins out. Which one? Gonna put it in. There you go. make sure everything's working. There it is. All done, guys. We finally replaced the door latch. It was an easy fix, but the beginning, I guess, getting to know where what goes or what to do, you got to do your research on this. But once you do it the first time, it's going to be easy the next times around. But hopefully nothing else will mess up. The most tedious part was the outside door. Pretty much this thing right here, whatever this is called, pretty much this controls it. So this wire will open it from the outside. This is connected to the outside door, where you open the door from the outside, and yeah, this is what controls it. So yes sir, so this is a smart window right here. This is a smart window that controls the smart window. When you grab the door from the outside, it will push it down and then push it back up. Once you close it, this white part right here is the door lock. The two green parts right there is what controls it. This outer green right here controls it from the inside, and this is the outside, which is connected to all this. So the most tedious part was connecting the outside part, because it's a circle with a little opening, which is the size of that wired thing right there, which is really tedious. Once you get this circle in there, you just gotta move it up until it goes in and it clips. And then clipping that part right there, you see that part right there, you got to clip that in there as well, where it just clicks, and that's what holds this in place so it can yank on that wire and open your door. If you don't have this part right there clipped in, you're not gonna be able to open that door. Trust me, it was hard getting it back out. But not really, wasn't hard, but you have to remove everything all over again. But anyways, it was an easy fix, really easy fix. This part right here, it's $120. $120 compared going to the dealership, and they're charging you like over $800 just to buy this, replace it, and the man hours and so on. It was over $800 just to fix this, which if you do it yourself, $120 and a couple, probably like an hour or two of your time, you're done, buddy. That is it. You are done. And 120 bucks, save yourself way over 700 bucks. So if you have the time, fix it yourself. Hopefully this video helped you out to fix it yourself. Sorry about the whole image. I know the image was a little bit down. I had the camera right on my mouth, the GoPro camera, and I was just, you know, in my mouth, and it was hard to pretty much face the camera to where I was being worked. And sorry about that, guys. Hopefully you still got to see everything. I try to explain everything as much as I can. And that is it, man. It was an easy fix. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and hit that subscribe button right there. Hit the subscribe button right there, and the little chingadera bell right on the side, whichever side. I keep forgetting which side, man. But like, yeah, so hit the little chingadera bell right next to the subscription button so you can get more videos. So hopefully you like this how to do video on replacing the door latch, which was messing around with the smart window. And it was good. It was a fun video to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Peace out. See you on the next one.